they put it into a coding block base, which is really fun to find the block and do it. And another thing I think is that it's really cool how they make the robots do something with you barely having to do anything. I like that Lego Robotics has Spilled with Legos, which is one of my favorite hobbies. And I also like that we can just like code them to do missions.
I like Y Media because I get to hang out with my friends. I get to film. I get to do a lot of things that I like in between with just making new friends during Y Media, you know.
What I like is, one, science fair has a lot of different people in it, like from different grades. And I also like that you can like do a science fair project that you want to do, and you don't need to worry about the materials.
I wanted to become a cheerleader because I enjoy the fact that like the experience, and I enjoy like my sister. I follow my sister's path, so that's the only reason why I'm doing it, and I love it.
I wanted to become a cheerleader because I wanted to do it with my friends, and I thought that it would be really fun to just have some time to hang out with them.